Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the LE with the upgrade package. It's in the Falcon gray metallic exterior, and it has the black cloth interior. It's a 5 passengers, 4-door, small size sedan. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto up and down on the driver's side, power locks. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. Power adjustable exterior mirrors. This comes with a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, windshield wiper de-icer. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Has Toyota Safety Sense, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and auto high beams. Has a 3.5-inch multi-information display screen, digital clock, 6.1-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system, has a CD player, AM/FM radio, it's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. And this is where your backup camera is. Auto climate control settings, including rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors, air conditioning. You have your temperature, fan speed, different modes. Below the dash is 12-volt accessory outlet, high and low settings for the heated front seats, USB and auxiliary port, CVT transmission, traction control, dual cup holders, nice size glove box with a tray. Review mirror, interior lights, and then the settings for the power sunroof. It has 16-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. Has keyless entry. Has combined fuel economy rating of 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. There's a release for the trunk on the key fob. Comes with 2 sets of mats, one for the winter and one for the summer. The back seat is a 60-40 split, so you can have 1 seat down or 2 seats down or all 3 down. Has power windows, pocket on the back of the passenger seat, side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Corolla. There's anchor points for the child car seats, and they get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated. It's an automatic LED headlight system. It has the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with 132 horsepower and 128 pounds of torque. Come see our lineup of our new 2019 Toyota Corollas at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.